Well, hello there, guys and gals and children of all ages. This is True Secret 22, and this is episode 2 of season 6 of the IronMan competition. Now, I had 2 bad recordings on my OBS. Luckily for me, there are 3 comm centers, because I knocked both comm centers down and went to process my video. And actually, I knocked one down, went to process my video, and it was extremely messed up. So I went and restarted it again, went to the second comm center. As you can see, it's white. Knocked it down, went to process my video, only got the first 6 minutes of the video. So I believe I have everything set correctly now. I hope. I really hope. Enemy troop transports approaching. Okay, because this will be the second drone that I've knocked down here in the last few minutes while waiting to get into this place. So, alright, now I did knock the turrets off of this one, just to keep them from shooting at me when I knocked out this comm center. And but there still are the small sentries down there, I do believe. Yeah, you can see them firing at me. So we're going to knock those out right now. Wow, if I can hit any of them, that is. There we go. Alright, those are taken care of now. And in case nobody knows, there is inside of this little triangular top piece there is a red container in there, which is very nice and gives you lots of good stuff. Ah, here comes the troop transport, so let's knock him down real quick before we go into this building. That way we don't have any Xerax or anything to deal with. Drones run away, attack my base. Good luck for them. There we go, get rid of that troop transport. Alright, we're not even going to worry ourselves about looting that or anything. We want to take out this comm center first. For the third comm center. But, yeah, okay, let's go ahead and give this a go. And, oh man, I hope I brought charges with me again. I think I have one charge on me. Let's see here. Yeah. Wow, I hope it's enough. Alright, we're going to find out here very momentarily. Alright. Okay, here we go, boys and girls. And just to let you know, I'm in my heavy armor. With 1 armor boost and 3 multi-boost. Hopefully this will help me survive a little bit better. Oh boy. Yeah, and this starts right away. There we go. Get rid of that little bugger. Do. Oh, that's some good stuff. Everything helps, of course. Let's reload before we go stepping into who knows what type of misery here. Oh, see nothing there. That's odd. Ah. Owie. I'd probably be dead already if it wasn't for the armor. There we go. Got anything any good? Not really. Huh. Eh. Hello, Core. How are you today? You are about to explode, I hope you know. Oh, we got more garbage. Ah. Alright, first let's take out this core so we can't have any more spawning on us. And I'm hoping one charge does it. From what I understand, right here does it, so we'll see. Please pop, because if not, I'm going to have to figure another way to get in there. Ah! There it goes. And it did too, I'll be darned. Alright, as you can see, it only takes one. Okay, and proof of destruction. In fact, it had enough concussive force to pop that drop container that container that was back there. Eh, some good stuff, I guess. Oh yeah, that's right. We got a hidden room back there that's got a bunch of guys. Well, maybe not a bunch of guys. Oh shit, Rick. Hey, how about having a weapon in your hands, huh? What do you think? It's gonna walk right past me like I'm not even there. Level 19. Thank you. And wow, he has food. He has food. Thanks, buddy. Huh? Huh? I don't get it. But alright. That's fine. Alright, let's get around here and get these other guys cacked off here real quick. Reload. Oh. Wow, man. I mean, huh? Wow, changing the loot on these guys really did change things. Alright, there's a couple of nice things there. Huh. Another pistol upgrade. Interesting. One of them. 12 of those. Well, let's catch up on our food here since we need it anyway. Alright, give us a couple extra. These are concrete. I have no want or need for those. Alright, back out here and empty out in the ship and then continue on. Alright guys, well that was it. Sorry I wasn't able to show you me taking out the large turrets on here, but OBS wanted to be a bear. And made me attack 3 of them instead of just the one, which in a way I'm really lucky that there was 3, because if there wouldn't have been 3, I don't know what I would have done. I would have been in trouble for sure, because I would have had no video for this week. And oh, they did do a little bit of damage on the front. One nice thing about this ugly no frills attack ship is that it has 5 layers from the front to anything that is of any consequence, any type of parts for the ship whatsoever. It's all protected pretty well. And as you saw, I only lost 1 block, well 2 blocks, but on the first layer. It's a pretty crammed up area here, but there is room for expansion in here. You can knock these lower blocks out or knock these upper blocks out here and put a constructor in there, or a armor locker, whatever you feel like you need. But yeah, well, that's the up and down of it. Not exactly exciting episode, but done for sure. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Good luck to all the other competitors. I hope this week that everyone makes it through, so we keep going on. And this is True Seeker 22. As you can see, 1971 kills and still alive here in the IronMan 6 competition. Take care, everybody. I am out.